Do you use JIRA? What do you think about it? Is it a good tool or a bad tool? In my experience, I see that JIRA very often it's detrimental to software development. The issue is not the tool, it's never the case, but it's the way we use it. I feel JIRA is a good tool when you use it as a collaboration tool. What do I mean by that? As a team, you use it to clarify the requirements. You write user stories with their acceptance criteria, and maybe you work TDD after it, or ATDD. And it's fine also if you use it to define your sprints and track the overall team status. That's fine as well. So we get to understand where we are in the development of a particular feature. That's fine. It's an issue when it becomes a project management tool. And for me, the switch there is when from writing user stories, you end up splitting those user stories into a large number of tasks when it's really fine-grained. If you look at it from a technical perspective, when you split a user story into many tasks, you're doing design. And you're doing these design decisions very early on because you're deciding how you're going to get to the full implementation of the story. Which, if you think about it, it's the complete opposite like of a TDD strategy, where the story would be the starting point. And then you let the design evolve by writing just enough code for the test to pass, and then refactoring so that you can harden the code base, modularize, and make it extensible. And then there are even socio-cultural issues. If you split the story into tasks, there is a high chance that what you will do next is assign tasks to developers. And in a world where a developer owns a task, the only way to measure the success of this developer, whether it's doing his or her job or not, is by task completion. And that really waters down the concept of code ownership, because the developer is not responsible for the overall health of its component or for implementing an entire feature. It's responsible just to do what it's being told to do, which is a tiny task. That's detrimental to him and to the company, and that's why you have to fight it.